Hi Crafty Friends, it's Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful night. Tonight we're gonna do an unboxing, a quick unboxing from Diamond Art Club called Mermaid Princess. Okay, it always comes in a very nice box, very shiny. This one, when you see that it's red or pink, I guess it's more pink. It's a circle, it's round. So the drills or the diamonds are round. Okay. Very shiny box. It says scan me, unlock for 10% off. It always has the instructions step by step and what's inside the kit. Okay, so let's open this baby up. Okay, so there's the toolkit. It always comes with 2 stickers, a small one and a big one. And the small one you could actually if you're going to keep, of course, the box, and you're not going to work on the painting, you basically take the small sticker and you put it on the bottom of your box. And then when you have the boxes one on top of the other, you can easily see which one is that one, which painting that is. Okay, so let's put that aside. And let's look at the toolkit. All right, let's see. Let's see what's going on in here. So it's got the diamond pen. It's got resealable bags just in case if you don't have the containers and you put the drills in there. Oh, look at this. It's got a very, very pretty cover minder. It's a very pretty flower. I like that flower. It looks like a daisy. Okay, and then goes the diamond pen, 2 placers, the power grip. I called it a scrunchie. Very pretty color, by the way. Container with wax, 2 of them in here. Love these little containers. Love this tray with a stopper to prevent from the drills from spilling, and a very, very pretty, oh, shiny washi tape. Isn't that pretty? It's purple and silver. Okay, so let's put all this aside. And the bag. And okay, all the canvases come in a plastic bag. Okay, let's take it out. It's got the drills. Okay, this is the big sticker that you can put on your logbook. Okay, so it says Mermaid Princess by Sarah Moustafa. The start, you write down the start date, the end date, and there goes a beautiful picture. And then it's round. It is 50.7 centimeters by 65.8 centimeter, and in inches is 20 inches by 26 inches. And it's got, looks like 47 colors. Okay, and it comes with the individual stickers. See that? They're already pre-cut. So you basically peel it and you put it on your container. All right. And then it always comes with the instructions. Thank you, and the tips and tricks. Okay, put that aside. And the canvas, guys, is very, very, very soft. Okay, let's fix that there. It's very soft like butter. And it's made from heavy duty waterproof tarpaulin. And they also use high quality poured glue. Okay, and then in the bottom it always has a picture right there, and then again it just tells you that it's from Diamond Art Club. It's called Mermaid Princess, 20 inches by 26 inches. It tells you also the centimeters, the name of the artist, Sarah Moustafa, and Diamond Art Club. And then down here it also tells you take 10% off your next order. And then over here it tells you that it's lifetime warranty, and your canvas comes with a lifetime warranty and a free missing diamonds protection from Diamond Art Club, which is excellent. Okay, so let's open this beauty. I think let me just turn it the other way around, and you can do this with this canvas, guys. Let's just straighten it up, flatten it out a little bit. Okay, let's roll it out. I love this size, actually. It's just perfect size. Beautiful colors. She's gorgeous. Okay, so on the top, it always says Do What Makes You Sparkle by Diamond Art Club. And then on the left hand side, left hand upper side, has the legend. It tells you how many colors, 47 colors, the symbol, and the symbols are on the diamond, on the painting, and the color code, which is the DMC code, and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs, which is Aurora Borealis. It just means they're shiny or extra shine. And then again, same thing on the right hand side, but on the lower side. And what can I tell you? This is absolutely gorgeous. She's a mermaid. When I saw her, I said, oh my gosh, look at her hair. First of all, guys, it's just beautiful red. Let me just tell you a little bit about the artist. Sarah is a freelance illustrator, as well as she's a second grade teacher, which is pretty cool. And in her free time, she likes to work on character illustrations. And she likes to also create whimsical characters, okay? And they're inspired by fantasy and storytelling. And she also has other diamond paintings from they sell at Diamond Art Club, and one of them is Snow Queen, Lady of the Lake, and Time to Spare. There's others, but anyway, so let's see how clear she is. Look at this. Look how beautiful those brown eyes, guys. See that? And look how clear. Absolutely gorgeous. And look at that beautiful red hair. Okay, and then her outfit, it looks like it's like a very pretty pink purple outfit. And she's got long hair, and it's very, very flowing. And then you see the water in the background, and it's glistening. And then love this color, love this blue-green color here in the background. And then here you can see the sun. It's shining on her. You see the reflection of the sun? So I guess she's outside right now. She just came out. She's a mermaid, so I guess maybe she's sitting on a rock. I don't know. But she's absolutely gorgeous. Love her. Let's see how sticky she is. Super sticky. Okay, and let us look at the drills. All right. The drills always, they tell you that they has on the plastic bag, it tells you the name of the painting, so Mermaid Princess, just in case if you separate the painting from the drills, which I do. Okay, so I'm gonna lay these out and I'll be back. Okay, so let us begin. We're gonna start with 153, which is a very pretty light purple. Okay, and then 154, it's a gorgeous dark purple. There's 4 of these. Can you see it there? Okay, so then we have 310, we have just two 310s, which is black, 355, and 356. Maybe I'll turn it this way. Maybe you can see the colors better that way. Not really. You can see the numbers. Okay, so we got 402, which is a light orange. Very pretty. 498. This is like a reddish purple. And of course, my favorite, all the greens and blues. 522 is a very pretty, like a green sage. And 597 and 598. Very pretty blues. Turquoise, I guess. Orange, 608. 611 is like a brown green, and 612 is just a lighter color. This one. And then you got 729, which is like a mustard. 740, very pretty orange. 741 is just a lighter orange. Then you got 743, it's a very pretty yellow. 744, I wonder if this is for the sun. 754 and 758. And then in the 800s, you have 2 of these. Very, very similar to that one, but just a little lighter. 814, 817 is in orange. I don't know if you can see that. And 823 is like a blue. And then we have 948 and 966. Very pretty green. Okay. And we have 3340, very little of that one. So orange. And you have 3750, very pretty blue. Okay, I think we don't have any more space, so I'm going to have to push these aside. All absolutely beautiful colors. All right, and then we have 3756. It's a very, very light blue. 3776, it's like a brown. And 3778, this is very pretty. It's like a peachy color. Very nice, I like that color. Okay, and this is it. All right, and then we have 3808, it's a blue. 3809, another blue. 3810, another blue. This must be for the water. 3811, and then you have 3823. It's a very, very light yellow, very pretty. 3827, 3830, 3834, purple. 3835, another purple. 3836, another purple. Wow. 3857 is a brown. 3858 is another brown. And 3861, it's like a light brown purple. Very, very pretty. So we have lots of blues and lots of purples. Okay, so let's move those aside. And then let's look at the 4 ABs. You got 114, very, very shiny orange. I wonder if that's for the highlights in her hair. And this one's 120. It's very pretty blue. It's probably for the water. I'm not sure, but I'm assuming. 127. I think this might be maybe for her outfit or for her skin. I don't know. And 141 is white. And you have a little hitchhiker there. See that? Okay. All right. So let's look to see. Let's go back to the canvas of the painting. And let's look for these ABs. So 114 is the orange, and that's number 1. So wherever you see number 1, so let's see. Yep, it's on her hair. See one. Let's move that over there. Stay over there. So you've got ones there. Yep, it's like all over her hair. Any on her lips? Nope. Some on her. I guess that's her hair. I was gonna say the eyebrow, but I don't think it is. It's like highlights. It's gonna be highlights on her hair. Some here, but that's her hair too. Some on her hair. They're actually all on her hair. Okay, so, and then the second one is the blue, which is, if you look at the legend, shoot, this light is causing glare here. Sorry about that. This is going to be number 2. So let's see. Is it on the, let's see, 222. Where are you? It's not up there. Huh. Oh, okay, I see it. It's very little. It looks like it's going to be all in the water down here. See? So it's going to be glistening. And then some over here on this side. So those are blue. All those light ones are blue. Okay? So that's going to be for the water. And then some here in the middle. Also for the water. Okay, and then 127 is going to be 3. Symbol 3. So, oh, yep, it looks like it's her outfit. I see lots of 3s here. More 3s here. That's part of her outfit or her beautiful dress or scales. Okay, so, and then the last one is 141, and that's number 4, and that's also on her dress. So that's it, guys. It looks like the water is going to be glistening, shiny. Her outfit is going to be shiny, and the highlights on her hair is going to be shiny. Okay, we don't have any, well, there is some 4 here, white on her eyes, and but there's none on her lips. So we could actually add more ABs on her lips. I'm surprised that there's none on their sun, huh? But that's okay. Doesn't mean that we could add, but it doesn't stop me, right? All right, so that's about it, guys. So she's absolutely gorgeous. I just love her big brown eyes and her beautiful red. I love red hair, and so I just love her red hair. And of course, she's a mermaid. I mean, who doesn't like mermaid? So that's about it, guys. So have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the night. Bye-bye.